Morning students, welcome to your online class. In the previous week, we have discussed some topics on integer like number line, between integers, and then how we can represent statement in integer. Now we are going to see two more concepts using number line. First one, using number line, write the integer which is 5 more than minus 5. We have to write 5 more than minus 5. First step, we have to draw number line, integer number line, that is using negative number, 0 and positive numbers. After drawn number line, you have to see the statement given 5 more than minus 5. It means that from minus 5, you have to increase 5 steps, that is move forward. We have to move forward 5 steps. Start from minus 5, you have to move minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. You will reach 0 after the 5 step forward. When you are having more than, add, increase, we have to go step forward. In case they given the word less than, subtract, minus, decrease, in that place we have to do step backward. Here you are having more than minus 5. So start from minus 5, you have to move forward 5 times. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. After the forward 5 step, you will get 0. That is your answer. In this sum, you are having less than, 3 less than minus 2. From minus 2, you have to less 3 step. We have to go backward 3 step. Minus 2 from minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. If you go backward from minus 2, 3 step, you will reach minus 5. Here you are moving forward as more than given in the question. Here you are moving backward as you are having less than in your questions. Next topics, rules for addition and subtraction. If you add two positive integer, you will get a positive integer. Like 5 plus 3, you will get 8. It's as usual we can do the sum. When we are adding two positive numbers, we will get another positive number. In case if you add two negative integer, you will get another negative integer. Like positive, we have to add negative integer also, but we have to mention the negative sign. Minus 5 plus minus 2. First, we have to add only the numbers. 5 plus 2, 7. If you having minus, you have to denote minus 7. Positive integer 5 plus 3, 8. Negative integer minus 5 plus minus 2. You have to add 5 plus 2, 7 and then denote minus sign. Third method, when you add a positive integer and a negative integer, you have to do two steps. First one, you must be subtracted. When you are having one number as negative, another number as positive, in that case you have to subtract it. Then we have to consider the sign of highest number. Sign of highest number. Listen, you must be subtracted, then take the sign of greater number for the result. That is your answer. Compare the numbers without any sign. When you are comparing the numbers, you should not consider the plus sign or minus sign. We have to find which number is greater. See the example. Minus 4 plus 6. Minus 4 is a negative. 6 is a positive integer. So you have to subtract it. 6 minus 4, you will get 2. Now consider only the number 4, 6. 4, 6. Which is the highest? Yeah, 6 is the highest. 6 is a positive integer. So we can take the sign plus 2. First step, 6 minus 4. You will get 2. Second step, we have to check the sign of highest number. 4 and 6. You have to consider only 4 without sign. 4 and 6. 6 is the highest number. So, we have to conclude plus 2. Next sum, minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7 negative, 3 is an positive. So, subtract 7 minus 3, you will get 4. And then, we have to check the sign. Which is the highest number? 7 or 3? Yeah, 7 is the highest number and having the sign minus. So, we can write minus 4. 7 is the highest number. So, taking sign of 7, that is minus. 7 minus 3, you are getting 4. Here, we are going to see 3 sums using the given rules. First one, 137 minus 354. Already we know that we want to write the highest number on the top and the lowest number on the below. First I have written 354. Next one 137. That is 354 is a negative integer. 137 is a positive integer. What is your rules? When you are having a positive and a negative integer, you have to subtract it, then take the sign of the greater number. So, I am doing subtraction using borrow method. You are having 4. We cannot subtract 7 from 4. So, we are borrowing from the previous number. 5 becomes 4 and then 4 after getting borrow becomes 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. And then 3 minus 1, 2. You are getting the answer 217. What is the second step? Take the sign of greater number for the result. Without sign, just compare the number 137, 354. Which is the greatest? Yeah, 354 is a greater number. So, we are considering the sign of that minus 217. We done subtraction. Then taken the sign of highest number minus 354. So, we are concluding minus 217. Second sum, minus 50, minus 200 and 300. Here, first we are going to do both negative integer, minus 50, minus 200. When you are having two negative integer, you will get another negative integer. Also, we have to do addition, then denote the negative sign. Follow the same step. Use negative integer, adding 50 plus 200, we will get 250. Denote negative sign. When you are having two positive integer, you can add like that. When you are having two negative integer, you want to add it, then denote the negative sign. After that, what is the third number? 300. So, we have to subtract minus 250 and 300, as 300 is an positive number, 250 is an negative number. We have to subtract, then want to take the sign of greater number. 300 minus 250. First we have to subtract. 0 minus 0, we will get 0. Then 0 minus 5, it will not possible. So we are getting borrow from the 3. It becomes 2. Next 0 will become 10 after getting borrowing. 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. You are getting the final answer 50. The final step, we have to look at the sign of greater number. Greater number is having 300, positive sign. So we are concluding plus 50. Listen once again. First you are having two negative number. So we are adding it, then take common negative sign. After that, using that answer, we are moving to the third number, that is positive 300, negative 250. Both are different sign. We are subtracting, getting the answer 50. After getting the answer, we are looking the sign of the highest number. Here 300 having positive sign. So we are concluding that plus 50. Clear? Here your homework. Do it and send it to your WhatsApp group. Thank you.